Good morning, Francine.
Good morning, sir.
Can you introduce yourself and share what led you to enroll at the Georgia School of Theology?
Okay, sir. My name is Francine, and I'm 19 years old. And God called me to serve Him, and I wanted to understand the Bible better. And also, I choose Georgia School of Theology. It's because it offers a great biblical teaching.
Okay. How has your experience at the Georgia School of Theology helped you to grow spiritually?
My classes have brought me closer to God, and I have learned how to study scripture deeply and pray more and love people the way Jesus does.
Okay.
This also trains me to lead others.
What is one lesson from your studies that has had an impact on your life?
Mm, I think the life of Daniel.
Okay. Very
Mm,
good. And what specific about Daniel impacted you?
Specific. I think Daniel is the one who served to God with strong faith and strong relationship with God, and Daniel trusts God um more than anything in his life.
Okay. And what is the one message you would like to share with those who support our students at the Georgia School of Theology?
For me, it has been difficult to balance because I have school and I have taken BSTM, and also I'm also at studying at Georgia Theology School, and also I'm um, with my
Working.
sometimes I feel tired, sir, but the prayers and encourage of others give me strength to keep going.
Okay. Well, thank you, Francine.
Thank you, sir.